Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how you can add users to your CRM over on Zoho. So kindly do watch the video till the end. So first of all you need to do, you have to log in with your account and you will be switched to the dashboard here. Now click on settings, click this gear icon in the top. Once you're at settings, in users and control, click on users. Now in users, you can see over on my profile there is a new user option. Just click on it. And this box will be popped up. Now you have to substitute the information to add a user. So just simply substitute all the information. And one thing I want to tell you, that from here super admin you can also set your user to like a developer or the CEO or admin, something like that. So this is basically how you can add users to your CRM. All for today's video guys. I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching.